Oró ilé wa làwa ń ṣe o. Oró ilé wa làwa ń ṣe o. Ìmọ̀lẹ̀ ò pé oyè. Ìmọ̀lẹ̀ ò pé káwa má ṣòro. Oró ilé wa làwa ń ṣe o. Oró ilé wa làwa ń ṣe
o. Daniel also told me there are some initiations women are not allowed to participate, and there is a story to explain why.
Well, in the beginning, women, as part of their nature, women, they are a sensitive creator, and women used to keep aside. But as I told you earlier, that it was Oshun that fight against this. Oshun was the first woman to start woman liberation. In the beginning, women are not allowed to be among the Egungun or to know the secret of Egungun. Until today, a woman is not allowed to see Odu or Olofin, wife of Orunmila. The reason why is that Odu, she's one of a powerful woman, but she was ugly. She has spots all over her body, but she possesses mysterious power that she would like to share with Orunmila. She came to make an oath with Orunmila. Orunmila agreed to marry her for Odu to assist spiritual work of Orunmila. Odu give warning that no woman should see her face. This what make Orunmila give her a special room. When food prepare, they will place the food at the bottom of her room. She opened the door, she take the food in. When she finish, she take out the plate. This is how Odu had been taken care. But one day, Orunmila was travel, left Odu and his family at home. There's one of the wife of Orunmila who used to have curiosity about the food plate placed in front of a door and saw the empty. Who is inside? She would like to know. This curiosity make this woman took a lamp. There's a clay pot fitila. Open the door and place the lamp in the face of Odu. Odu became furious and she killed the woman instantly. And this make something happen to Orunmila. Immediately the incident occurred. There's a sign in his body. Orunmila knows something is happening. So, Orunmila, the Ifa is like a telecommunication in those days. There's no telephone, there's no letter, but they use Iyere, poetry, as a telecommunication. Ifa. Then Orunmila recite Iyere. Say, Odu, I did not make an oath for you to kill my wife. And Odu also replied, because when Orunmila came back home, he met the death of his wife. Odu already departs. After her departure, Orunmila recited Ifa wherever he is. She heard it. She said, "Why you kill my wife?" Odu also replied, "I do not took an oath with you for somebody to place the light on my face." This is what makes Orunmila knows the truth that this woman break the law, because there's a decree between two of them that no woman should place light to see her face. So ever since that day, Orunmila said, no woman, no akpetebi, no one could see Odu. When we had to make the ceremony Ifa initiation for a woman, we used to omitted Odu. All other sequence of the ceremony we have to complete only Odu. A woman is not see Odu. That is what we do till today.
Well, that being said, how does a Yanifa perform an initiation?
Yanifa does not have a separate initiation than the Ifa initiation. Before a woman can become Yanifa, a woman has to be trained. Even a man who undertakes Ifa initiation is not automatically became Ifa priest, Babalawo. Any person that would like to become a priest of Ifa, we have to undertake the training. The initiation ceremony is for the life of the person, to identify the roadmap of that person, to guide him to know his own personal taboo, to know the future and past, what is going to happen in his own personal life. To become a Babalawo, a man has to undertake the training before you can be pronounced. But initiation does not pronounce any person a priest, either Babalorisha or Yanorisha. You will have to undertake the training. Yanifa become Yanifa when she was able to interpret Odu, when she know how to divine, to perform the sacrifice. She's Yanifa. The same thing like men.
But there is something I do not understand. There is a moment and Yanifa will read the Odu for one person.
The Odu Ifa is different from the Odu we are talking about.
Ah, it's different. Okay.
The Odu, that word Odu, it has many meanings.
Ah, okay. It's okay.
Take for example, all the signatures of Odu Ifa is called Odu. The mysterious wife of Orunmila Olofin is called Odu. The big pot is called Odu Ikoko.
Okay.
So many who does not know Yoruba language, they used to mistook the word. So the Odu signature is different from Odu, mysterious wife, who is a woman being. Anyway.
Okay.